Maricopa County Bail Bonds.com. At Maricopa County Bail Bonds.com, we can help you with the bail bonds process. A bail bond is simply a financial guarantee or promise made to the court, guaranteeing the appearance of the defendant to each and every one of his hearings. If the defendant fails to appear, the cash value of the bond would be paid to the court. Bail bond companies post surety bonds, i.e. paper promises. If a defendant fails to appear for his or her hearing, the court may order the bond forfeited. If the bond was posted in cash, the cash will be retained, and if posted by paper, the court will make a demand to the surety to pay the bond's value in cash. As a bail bond company, we act as an agent for an insurance company, also known as a surety. Surety companies are licensed and regulated in each state where they operate. The bail bond company is also licensed to operate in the state, but operates as an agent for the surety. Both agent and surety are bound by strict regulations governed by the Arizona Department of Justice. So what are the advantages of using a bail bond company? A bail bond company reduces the upfront cash required in the bonds process. If you need to post a bond for some time, the court will hold on to your money for an undetermined amount of time. It could be months and in some cases years. The court will not pay you interest on your money, and you cannot retract or surrender your bond. A bail bond company, on the other hand, will only charge you a much lower fee to post your bond. Although the fee is non-refundable, you do not have to provide the full amount of the bond. So how does this service work? When a bail bond company posts a bond for you, the company has bound itself to the court, guaranteeing to pay the bond amount in cash if the defendant does not go to court. As a result of assuming the risk and providing the funds on your behalf, collateral is usually required to secure bonds posted by bail bond companies. The collateral is held in trust or by lien and is usually physical property such as real estate, cars, boats, jewelry, artwork, or anything that has value as determined by the parties involved. If the defendant fails to appear in court and the bond is ordered forfeited, the bail bond company will make a demand upon you to pay the entire bond amount. If you cannot or would not pay the bond amount, your collateral will be sold to cover the bond's cost. If the collateral sells for more than the bond, the excess will be returned to you minus any sales costs. However, if the sale of the collateral does not cover the bond amount, you will be legally responsible for any shortfall. So how do you buy a bail bond? Contact a bail bond company and provide them with the defendant's full name, date of birth, charges if known, and any other pertinent information. Obtain a quote on what will be charged and find out what specific needs a bail bond company may have during the lifetime of your bond. Be aware that you can't legally pay less than 10% premium for a bond. The only negotiable items between bondsmen will be the fees charged and the collateral requirements. At a minimum, you will need a picture ID, driver's license, passport, etc., cash or credit card for the fees, and ownership papers for the collateral you plan to use as security, i.e. titles, deeds, and sales receipts. For more information on the bail bond process, visit MaricopaCountyBailBonds.com.